Welcome. In this video, I will quickly tell you which Macs support macOS 27 and 27 beta. So right now the beta test is opened and it's open for all Silicon MacBooks. So if you have a MacBook, any MacBook starting from M1 models, including the Neo model, you can try it out by joining the developer program and installing the beta update on your MacBook. Just make sure to create a backup before you do so that you can restore your files in the future. And the only MacBooks that do not support this feature are the ones that have the Intel chip. So all the Silicon MacBooks support both beta and will support 27 macOS update. And that's the answer to this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.